I recently had a client that had a severe autistic needs child. Literally figuratively, this child was stapled to the mother 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. She got a little bit of help, a little bit of respite, but not much. Really difficult. So she did everything she could to try and occupy this child's time. And there were certain things the child really enjoyed. One of them was going for rides in a car. Where's that line for him? I like that too. But the child also used to like to sit in the car. So mother would often go to the garage, the safety of their home, open up the doors and let the child sit in the car. One day, the child got out of the car and went next door to the neighbor's house, who she was friendly with. And you could literally reach out and touch the neighbor's home. It was real close. So the mother was talking about this at a IEP meeting. And what did the school do? Filed a 51A against her. Sight unseen, based upon representation by the mother, which truly was harmless. DCF comes in, knocks on the door, and it's screened in for, at first, a substantiated concern. Then a few days later, for whatever reason, which we never found out, tried but couldn't get the answers from DCF, it was changed to neglect. And you say, what's the difference, Attorney Seaver? There's a huge difference. Substantiated concern means that DCF has concerns, but it doesn't rise to the level of abuse and neglect. And you apply for what's called a grievance. Whereas with neglect, you can wind up on the Central Registry as a perpetrator of child abuse and neglect on your child. Much more serious. And you're going to have far-reaching implications, unlike the substantiated concern. So DCF comes out, does their assessment of the family, and got to meet the child up front, in person, and close, which some of the people at the school that were on the board never ever did. DCF, after meeting with the family multiple times, closed the case down. And we wrote to the powers that be at DCF and said, hey, this case was originally a substantiated concern, then it was switched for whatever reason, which we never learned, to a neglect allegation. And this mother went above and beyond the call of duty. I mean, tremendous mother. She worked so hard to try and help her child. And she was reaching out for services and was asking for the school district, God forbid, to reach into their pocketbook and maybe place his child in residential placement. And of course the school said, no, 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 because that's going to cost the school district money. They didn't really say that on the record, but that's basically the implication of what was going down. So with that said, the mother worked extremely hard. The child was doing well with the mother. And in the end, DCF recognized the great work that mother had done, how she continued to be a tremendous advocate for her daughter. And they reversed the allegation from neglect to substantiated concern, where mother would not be on the Central Registry. And everybody went home happy.